Sam Dare, and I am going to be showing you the Thrifty Config app, which is the USB client we have built for the new Thrifty Novas. So on the left-hand side here, you can see the different devices that we have connected. I have two Thrifty Novas connected over USB, and one of those is connected to a Neo 550, and one of those is just connected over USB. So to determine which one's which, we can go ahead, we can blink the device. And the one that blinked is the one connected over USB to the Neo 550. We can go ahead and change different configuration values here. We can also pop out, which will allow us to do all the configs in a separate window. So if we want to graph on one window, we can do such. We can pop back in. We can show and hide the PIDs and the status frames, as those are ones you're not going to be changing as often. And we also have a run window. This allows us to run the motor and see all the different status frames that it shows. So we can see here, we can start and run it. We can run it in position or velocity mode. We can change the units for velocity and for position. And we can see any faults here and clear any sticky faults. We also have logging built in, so we can start logging and we can stop logging, and then we can send the log directly to ThriftyBot, which is very nice. And we can save the log to our computer. As you can see, I'm doing this on a Mac. Thrifty Config is built for Mac and Windows natively. We also have the ability to graph. So here I have a graph set up for bus voltage and stator current. And I can go ahead and I can run the motor here too. And you can see that my graph will auto scale, but I also may want to change those axes myself. So you can see here that the current is a little noisy at the low end. I can make it spike by grabbing the motor. And you can see the regenerative braking here briefly with the bus voltage. So we see a little spike there as we brake down. I can also stop the graph. I can also resume the graph. I can restart the graph from here. And then over here, I can set my internal, external, and external absolute encoders. And I can come over and do the same thing with this motor. So that is pretty much it for the Thrifty Config app. We hope you like it. We are really excited to see what our customers can do with these new motor controllers. Thanks, everybody.